He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of youthful charisma, emotional sincerity, and remarkable screen presence, Gordon Cormier didn't simply enter Hollywood as another child actor. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a childhood passion for acting into one of the brightest young careers in modern television. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 8, 2009, in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, Gordon Cormier's journey began far from the massive film sets that would eventually shape his career. Raised in a supportive family and proud of his Filipino heritage through his mother, Gordon discovered his passion for performing at an early age. Acting quickly became more than just a hobby. It became the path through which he could tell stories, inspire audiences, and express creativity. His professional career started with commercials and television appearances that introduced him to the entertainment industry. Even in his earliest roles, Gordon impressed casting directors with his confidence, professionalism, and natural emotional range. Each project strengthened his abilities while preparing him for far bigger opportunities. The defining moment of his career arrived when Netflix cast him as Aang in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. As the young Avatar destined to restore balance to the world, Gordon inherited one of the most beloved characters in animation history. The role required extensive physical training, action choreography, emotional depth, and the responsibility of meeting the expectations of millions of longtime fans. By the time Season 2 entered production, Gordon had grown alongside the character himself. Audiences watched Aang evolve into a stronger leader while Gordon continued developing as an actor capable of balancing humor, vulnerability, courage, and determination. His performance established him as one of Hollywood's most promising young stars and significantly expanded his international recognition. By 2026, Gordon Cormier is widely recognized as one of the entertainment industry's brightest emerging talents. Industry professionals praise his maturity, audiences appreciate his authenticity, and filmmakers increasingly see him as an actor capable of leading major international productions. His career reflects steady development built on discipline rather than overnight fame. Off-screen, Gordon maintains a grounded and balanced lifestyle. Despite achieving worldwide recognition at a young age, he continues focusing on education, family, fitness, and personal growth. His public image reflects humility and gratitude, qualities that have earned him admiration from fans around the world. His fashion style reflects his youthful personality while continuing to mature alongside his career. Whether attending Netflix premieres, fan conventions, interviews, or award events, Gordon presents himself with confidence, simplicity, and authenticity. His approachable style has made him increasingly popular with photographers, entertainment media, and fashion observers. Although public curiosity surrounding his personal life continues to grow, Gordon remains focused primarily on acting and professional development. He consistently chooses to let his performances define his career while maintaining a healthy balance between fame and private life. Colleagues frequently describe him as hardworking, respectful, and eager to continue learning. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects successful streaming productions, acting projects, commercial appearances, and brand partnerships. More importantly, he has established himself as one of the most valuable young talents in the entertainment industry with tremendous long-term potential. What many people admire most is his genuine personality. Gordon approaches every opportunity with enthusiasm, humility, and careful preparation. Rather than relying solely on the popularity of Avatar, he continues building a reputation based on professionalism, versatility, and authentic performances. Gordon Cormier's journey is defined by steady growth instead of instant fame. From a talented young performer in Vancouver to becoming the face of Netflix's Avatar: The Last Airbender, his rise reflects dedication, resilience, and remarkable promise. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of Hollywood's next generation, talented, disciplined, and built for a lasting career. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a family of Hollywood royalty, yet there was always something about him that stood apart. With natural charisma, sharp comedic timing, and an ability to balance confidence with vulnerability, Ian Ousley didn't simply become another young actor on television. He steadily built a reputation as a performer capable of bringing heart, humor, and authenticity to every role. By stepping into the iconic role of Sokka in Avatar, The Last Airbender, he introduced himself to a worldwide audience and became one of the most recognizable young stars of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on March 28, 2002, in College Station, Texas, United States, Ian Ousley developed an interest in performing from an early age. While many children explored different hobbies, he found himself drawn toward acting and entertainment. Alongside his passion for performing, he also dedicated years to martial arts, earning recognition through competitive training. That combination of discipline, athleticism, and confidence would later become one of his greatest strengths as an actor. His professional journey began with appearances in television productions, gradually gaining experience in front of the camera. Rather than arriving through overnight success, Ian built his career one role at a time, learning from each project while developing a relaxed yet engaging screen presence. His performances in family and teen-oriented television series demonstrated both versatility and reliability, earning him growing attention within the industry. A defining turning point came when he was cast as Sokka in Netflix's live-action adaptation of Avatar, The Last Airbender. Taking on such a beloved character came with enormous expectations from fans around the world. Sokka is known for his humor, intelligence, leadership, and emotional growth, qualities that required much more than simple comedic delivery. Ian approached the challenge with dedication, balancing the character's lighthearted personality with moments of maturity and courage. As the series continued into its second season, his portrayal gained even greater recognition. Season 2 expands Sokka's responsibilities, relationships, and personal development, allowing Ian to showcase a broader emotional range while participating in larger action sequences. His chemistry with fellow cast members and commitment to the source material further strengthened his reputation among audiences. By 2026, Ian Ousley is regarded as one of the promising young actors emerging from the new generation of streaming television. Industry observers recognize his adaptability, directors appreciate his professionalism, and viewers connect with his approachable personality. His career reflects consistent growth rather than sudden fame, supported by careful project selection and continuous improvement. Away from the cameras, Ian maintains an active and balanced lifestyle. Years of martial arts training continue to influence his physical conditioning, discipline, and confidence. Fitness remains an important part of his routine, especially while preparing for physically demanding roles that require stunt work and action choreography. He also enjoys spending time with friends, traveling, and sharing occasional moments from his daily life with fans through social media. His fashion style reflects his personality, modern, casual, and comfortable. Whether attending premieres, promotional events, or interviews, Ian generally favors clean, contemporary looks without appearing overly extravagant. His public image remains approachable, allowing fans to relate to him both on and off-screen. Although public interest often extends to his personal relationships, Ian keeps much of his private life away from constant media attention. Instead of allowing speculation to define his image, he consistently focuses on acting, professional development, and connecting with audiences through his performances. Those who have worked alongside him frequently describe him as hardworking, friendly, and eager to learn from every opportunity. As of 2026, Ian Ousley's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, streaming projects, brand collaborations, public appearances, and other entertainment ventures. While still early in his career compared to many established actors, his growing international popularity suggests significant long-term potential within both television and film. What many fans admire most is his ability to remain genuine despite increasing recognition. Whether delivering Sokka's trademark humor or portraying emotionally meaningful scenes, Ian brings sincerity that resonates with audiences. His willingness to embrace challenging roles while remaining grounded has become one of the defining qualities of his career. Ian Ousley's journey continues to evolve with each new project. From a young performer developing his skills in Texas to portraying one of the most iconic characters in modern fantasy television, his rise reflects determination, discipline, and a genuine passion for storytelling. As he continues building his career in 2026, he stands as one of Hollywood's most promising young talents, focused, adaptable, and prepared for an exciting future. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.